There are a couple of different ways that you can use the duplicate check app. In this video, I will show you two of them. If you've added the duplicate check search app to your favorites, then select the drop-down arrow by your favorites and click DC Search. Make sure that you're searching underneath the correct tab. So if you're searching for a contact, make sure that you select the Contact tab and then type in the contact's last name and then first name. Select the Search Contact button, and then on the left, you'll see that it provides a score of the likelihood that this is a replicated contact. You can also open up this contact, and now you can make any changes, edits, and see any additional fields that you might not have seen from the DC search. Once I go back to my DC search, I can select both of these contacts, and then I can select the Merge button to merge both of them, as I know that it is a replicated contact. I can select Merge, and now it is all underneath one contact. You can see that the email went with the title that I had in the other one, and also this one did have a location for this contact. Another way to use the duplicate check feature is to go underneath the Contacts tab in Salesforce at the top ribbon, search for your contact in this larger search field. It's important that you use this larger search tab instead of using this one. This one will actually search more of your contacts. You can search for your contact this way, or you can also just select your contact if you see them on the list. Now, to see if this is a duplicate contact, I'm going to select this drop-down arrow at the top of their profile. I'm going to select the DC check option, and now it's searching to see if there's an additional contact underneath this name. So you can see that it did not find any duplicates, but had it have found any duplicates, they would have come up here, and I would have selected Merge just as I did in the previous example.